Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you another assigned pooling stitch. Now it's going to be a rather short video because I've managed to lose part of my setup, so my phone stand is a bit wobbly and I'm very scared I'm going to topple it over halfway during the video. So we'll just keep it short, and that way we reduce the risk of having to interrupt the video halfway through. If you haven't seen one of my videos, my name is Sophie, and I design knitting patterns, and I am an indie yarn dyer. So I specialize in hand-dyed yarns that have assigned pooling in them, which means there's part of the yarn that has been dyed in a different color. Now, this is one of my newest colors, and usually the contrast color is very, there's a very high contrast. And I've experimented a bit this time to see how things would look if I would make the contrast a bit less intense. And I came up, oh, there we go. And I came up with this pink and gray, which reminds me very much of seashells on a beach in summer. And I've managed to knit this up. As you can see it, it's a lovely pink. It's a very sunny day, so the colors are going to be a bit different. But yeah, it looks like little shells on the beach, don't you think? Now, specifically for this pattern, it's very interesting because my last row, as you can see, was made of knit two togs and yarn overs. Can you see them? Wait, just, yes, this is better. Don't mind the nail polish, I apologize. So the last row was made of yarn overs and knit two togs. So when you are going to make a cluster stitch, I recommend you don't put it into the yarn over from the last row. If you encounter yarn over, just knit that one and wait until the next one is a knit two tog from the last row. It gives more structure to your cluster stitch because you're going to work quite a lot of yarn into that stitch. So you don't want one of these floppy ones. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to knit into the stitch, but don't let it slide off your needle yet. And we're going to elongate the stitch a bit. Not too much, but just, yeah, make it a bit longer than you usually would. Knit into the back of the same stitch and do the same thing. Knit into the front. Elongate. Knit into the back. Oh, it's hard when there's a camera in front of you. Yes. And keep going until you've used up pretty much all of your contrast yarn. Now today I'm doing this with my pink yarn, but if you have a different color, different assigned pooling color, that I think it would look amazing basically with any color. So just keep going until you feel like the yarn is slowly changing color back to the brown again. And let this slide off your needle. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put all the stitches over the first stitch. Just slip them over. Now you can do this all one by one or all together. It's faster that way, so yeah, I recommend that. And you'll end up with a little shell. And we're just going to continue on our way. That's it. If you're on the wrong side of your fabric, it's just the same. Move your yarn from back to front to create the stitch, and just make one of these and then move your yarn to the back again and continue on the wrong side. That's it. Okay, well, I hope you have a lovely day. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a like and a subscribe, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.